Welcome back, Forexia fam. Today we're going over some live trading using the new BULLX platform. So I was just briefly researching some new coins, and this coin showed up on my radar, Chill Cat. The reason I think this coin has potential right now is that it is at a lower market cap. I'm going to place a buy actually right now at this level. So it is at a lower market cap. It is at right under $100,000 market cap right now. And overall, it is in a nice trend. The audit is very good. It has a lower amount of supply between the top 10 holders, so it's not a massive amount. It still is detected as a security issue, but we're going to ignore it because I still believe this could run up to potentially $1 million market cap. So we'll see. I'll keep recording, and I might speed the footage up into the near future, but let me show you a little bit around the BULLX platform and how it is that I like to scale into my buys and sells and whatnot. So as we can see, the price is pumping nicely. I'd like to get in right around this 100K area, so I'm going to get in once again with a 0.10. I'd like to see a retracement here. Oops, and we're pumping quite a bit. Alright, I'm buying off of this retracement here, and that'll push up our average price a little bit. That's what I like a lot about this platform, is that you can see where the average price is. You can see exactly where you bought. You can see how much I'm buying. So in this first buy right here, I only bought like $13. In this buy, $9. This buy here was a little bit more, I believe. I'm not sure, it's not showing up right now. Alright, and then there's this buy right up here. So in average, we averaged out at a price of about 93,000, and we have, let's see, we have about $70. You can see our positions up here. We have about $70 allocated into this coin between all of our different positions. So I'm going to see if I can get it to 100 potentially if it dips a little bit more. However, I am okay right now with that current allocation. So according to my positions tab up here, it says I'm up about 31%. I can also click on this little flex button here, and I can also see in real time exactly how much I'm up, my current P&L and my profit in dollars, and my investment, how much I've sold. So some really cool features with this platform, very well designed. I love TradingView implemented in here too. So let's zoom out a little bit more. Right now we're on the 1 second chart. We'll go to the 1 minute chart. You can see this coin just came out just a few hours ago. Let's see. So the coin is 1 hour and 48 minutes old, exactly. What I like to do is I like to use the Fibonacci retracement. So for example here, this first wave here, if you used the Fibonacci retracement tool here, you'll almost always see, so we draw it from the bottom here to the top here. we'll almost always see a retracement, right? We'll see a pump, and then we'll see a retracement back down to right around this level, 0.786. So a lot of times we'll see the retracement to right around this level, and then we'll see the coin pump. And we can see wave 1, and then this was wave 2, and it pumped past these highs, and then it retraced once again. So overall, we could see a retracement down to potentially these levels down here. That's where I'll scale in a little bit more. However, the way that the coin is pumping right now, there's a lot of, looks like there's a lot of, see how it's pumping? There's a lot of volatility right now. We could see a massive push upwards to, right, 200, 300K before any type of retracement back down. So we'll gradually start taking profit as we hit 200, 300, 400,000 market cap. But right now, we're just playing the waiting game. All right, we can see price is pumping nicely once again. And we have about a $30 profit right now. Obviously, if we would have put more in, we would have had more profit. But I'm expecting this to potentially 10x, so I'd like to see it get to $900,000 million market cap potentially. So how exactly do you use this buy and sell feature? To the right hand side here, we have a buy and a sell feature. Right here, if we click on buy, we can put in the amount of Solana. So right now in my wallet, my main wallet, I have 3.5 Solana, which is about $500. And if we have these preset amounts. You can just click on it if you want to put any of those preset amounts in. However, I'm going to put in 0.10, for example, actually 0.07. And we have a gas fee of about almost $3. So we have to keep in mind, we can also change this gas fee, but the reason why it's a little bit higher like this is because the higher the gas fee, the faster the orders get sent into the market and get executed. So it's good to have a higher gas fee if you want your orders to get executed at a faster pace. So we're looking at a little dip right now. I'm going to buy into this dip right here with 0.07 Solana, and right here you can see boom, order executed, and a little B for the buy was placed on the chart. Also, the average price that I have entered in got scooted up a little bit more. So as you can see, I like to gradually scale into my positions over time as the market pushes up and as the market also swings and dips. So I'll show you guys how to put in a limit order as well. We'll do 0.05, and instead of buy execution, we'll do limit, and we can move this however we wish, and that will move the price of our limit order up and down. Or we can also grab the limit order level and place it wherever we want. So at $106,000 market cap, our limit order of 0.05 SOL will be purchased into the market. So we'll try that. And if the level of price gets below, wow, there's a big pump. If it gets below this price level, it would activate our buy order at that level. So we can see price just made a new high of right around 170K market cap. That is about a 70% gain from the high, from our average position. I'm going to go down to the 1 second chart. Zoom out a little bit, and I'm going to place a take profit level. So to place a take profit level, we go to sell. And normally the take profit or the sell is at market execution, but we are going to want limit. And I feel like there's going to be a breakout any second now, so I'm going to buy and to scale in just a little bit more. All right, so we'll see if our market order gets executed. There was sent 11, 9, 7. There we go. So there is that little pump we were waiting for, but I think it'll push. Once it breaks 200K, it'll go potentially to 300. So for the sell, if we want to place a take profit level, we're going to go to sell, and we're going to go to the limit, and we are going to move this up. Let's say we want a take profit at 53% more than what price is right now, or at whichever market cap. So let's say we want a take profit level at 300,000 market cap. That's going to put it right up here. And let's say we want to sell 15% of our position at that level. We can click here, and an order will be placed at this level to sell 15% of our position, or whichever amount you wish. And you can place multiple order levels like this as well. So we have, let's say we want another 25%, no, 10% of the position at 400,000 market cap. And there we go. And you can use these limit orders if you are not looking at the chart, and use them as if they were like stop loss and take profit orders. So if you wanted to, let's say, use a stop loss, you can have 50% of your position stopped out if price goes to 38,000 or 50,000, right? So we'll have this stop loss order right here, where I sell automatically 50% of my position at a, what is it, 66K market cap. I might have to pause the video because my computer is lagging quite a bit, and I don't know if it's going to affect the quality of the outcome of the video. Maybe I'll give it a second to see if it'll continue giving me these problems. So right now we're up 1.3x, so it's over $100. So as you guys can see, within 15 minutes I invested $74 and have come out with over almost $100 if I were to sell right now. So I'm going to pause this a little bit, and I think I'll get back to you guys. I'm going to close some of the programs that I've running in the background, and maybe that'll help. Hopefully it's not giving the video quality any problems or the video audio any problems, but for me it's really laggy. This entire platform is being really laggy, and I know it's because my computer is running and I'm recording right now. So give me 1 second and I'll be back. All right, we're back, and the market hasn't done much. It actually dipped a little bit, so I bought in a little bit more. We're still up about 80%. So if we look up here, we can see our positions. We'll see it looks like we're up about 50% right now. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let the price play out, and if it peaks another high up here, I'm going to take out a little bit of profit. I'm not sure what those orders are doing right there with those percentages, but yeah, if price peaks these highs up here, I'm going to take out a little bit, maybe 10 or 15%, and then take out a little bit more once it reaches 375 to 400, probably another maybe 25% or so. So I'm going to speed up the footage, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the near future. We are back once again, and price is just about breaching all-time highs. Hasn't quite activated our order yet. There it is. We activated the order. And how much did it sell? I'm gonna sell a little bit manually too right now. And yeah, my internet or my computer. Oh wow, that was a big pump right there. So we'll sell 20%. 20% at 300K. Take out a little bit of profit as it pumps. There it is. Price is pumping quite a bit. We'll see if it gets to 400K. We'll try and take out another 20%. once it goes to 400. Actually, once it goes to about a little bit over 400, 430, right around there, 425, we'll take out 25%. And there we go. Place our limit order. There's some very big orders coming in right now, so that's why I'm manually taking some profits along the way. And I'm going to push this window up a little bit so that you guys can see. You see how laggy my computer is? It's terrible. Alright, so you guys can see, holy. Alright, there we go. Big order right there. Took out both of our orders, apparently. Let's see how much we have right now. I'm sorry about this lag. I clicked that button a while ago. So we invested $90 and we're up $180. Profit. $200 in profit. So I could also place a stop loss. For example, I can place a stop loss here to sell, let's say 25% of my position again at this price. If I wanted to, I'm not going to do that though. And here we're going to see if it pushes past 400, it'll most likely break to 500 very fast. I'm going to take not yet. I'm going to be ready to take about another 10% of my profit around maybe after it hits 500, 600 maybe. So we are up 200%, 200% gains on Chill Cat. This is what I mean, you guys. This platform is absolutely baller. This is the best trading platform there is for cryptocurrency and these types of coins. So here we are breaking past 4. We'll see if we can turn that 400K into some type of support. And there it is, pushing it. What I like as well about all of this is you can see the order book right here. You can see all of these orders coming in real time, everything. So there's 1,080 people holding this coin. We can see this number is gradually going up. That's what we like to see. And in the past 5 minutes, there's been 444 buys and 352 buys and 337 sells. Buyers are still in control, and market price is still pushing up. All right, so price is still pushing up. Looks like we're making new highs once again. If we push past 5, it's gonna skyrocket. We're in here since 100K. So if we wouldn't have taken any profit along the way, we would be up 5x, about like $500 or so. Let's see if price rebounds. All right, we got a nice rejection from this area at about 375. But we'll see what happens. I'm going to take another 10% of profit. It's always good to take small chunks along the way. See, look at that. Someone else decided to take profit as well. Depending on how price reacts, okay, yeah, we saw a massive rejection. So that entire sell order was consumed by buyers, and they pushed price back up to right around 400K. So we want to see price push past 450, and then we'll probably see it skyrocket to 600, 650. The past 24 hours, this coin has gained over 500%. And we have captured a large majority of that percentage. I actually saw this coin at about 60K market cap, but it pumped up so hard and fast. It was crazy. But this is the opportunity that you guys have every single day with this platform and with the market how it is right now. And some of these coins, this coin could be the next coin that goes to, 10 million or 100 million. I doubt it, but there's always that potential as well. There's always that possibility as well. Pump in again. Pump it up. Very nice. All right, a lot of people selling after that push. There's also a lot of buyers in. So my computer is lagging so much that I have to continuously be moving the screen so that it updates. But hopefully that's all right with you guys. We are up 238% so far. $2.3x with an investment of $94 and a total profit of $214, about $220. We've already captured about $130 in sells. And sometimes sometimes whales will just like the token and send it to their friends, and you'll see just buys of like $10,000, $10,000, $10,000, $100,000, and it'll push the price to like $1 million within minutes. So there's always that as well. This space is very crazy. There are people with hundreds of millions of dollars in their wallets, and there's no restrictions, right? Anybody is free to do what they want, and if somebody wants to come along and buy $500,000 of Chill Cat just because they like the meme, well, that can happen. All right, we're pushing up almost. I think this was a new high. So that's good. There we go. Push 500K. So you guys saw it live here. I didn't get to exactly show you from the very beginning of me finding the trade, finding this coin. I guess that's for another video. I'll be making a lot more videos on this series. Let's see. All right, as I mentioned, it would probably blow past into 500 into 600, and we almost made it to 600. Let's see how much we're up right now. All right, yep, touching right around 600, and we are up about $280 from our initial $90 investment, up about almost 3x. 600K, almost 700K, and it's going absolutely wild. Look at the buys coming in, the size of these buys. 5 Solana, 8 Solana sell. We'll put it in USD. Wow, look at that. All right, I'm going to take 10% sell right here, right now. Maybe 15%. There we go. Always remember to secure at least a portion of your bag as it pumps. And we are almost to 1 million. So we are about 300,000 away from 1 million. That is almost a 10x gain if we would have held it and not sold anything. So it's about 6x, 7x right now. If we wouldn't have sold anything from the beginning. But as always, I like to take profit as the coin pumps, as it moves up. Just secure some of my position along the way. Did that order execute? I believe it did. $630, $660K. You guys saw it yourselves right here within what? How long has it been? Under an hour? I didn't cut for very long. I cut maybe like 5 minutes, and then it started pumping again. So yeah, this is the potential, you guys. I'm just trying to make this video to show you guys the potential that these markets have and these markets offer. Obviously, you have to do your due diligence. There's a lot of scams. There's a lot of coins that will just dump. But if you know how to play your cards right, you know how to identify good coins, then you're able to make a very good return. So I also have a group where I send my plays, the coins that I am buying in real time. And if you guys want to join that group, I'll include the link to join that group in the description of this video. So all-time high, new all-time high right there. That was right around 750K. Keep in mind we got in at right around 100K. Wow, 328% so far on Chillcat, making new highs, continuously making new highs. I'm gonna take I want to take a small amount of profit again. just because you guys, like, these coins can dump just as hard as they pump, right? So even harder, right? Especially when there's a large percentage of the supply between a very few amount of people. That's not particularly the case here. We have 16% between the top 10 holders. 800K, new all-time high. Yeah, we're close enough to the amount that I wanted. I wanted to see a million, and we are getting there. I'm gonna start scaling out of my position as we hit a million. Look at how far we've come. And there it is, almost. There we hit 900K, almost a million. Look at these buys along the way. Buy, 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 buy. Sell, 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 sell. That's how we do it, you guys. Very different from the Forex market, but a lot more lucrative, a lot more volatile, and there's a lot more potential. And there's no need to deal with shady brokers. You don't have to trust the broker. You don't have to trust the prop firm that, it might have a bad reputation. No. These platforms are trustless. They're completely decentralized. And that's my favorite part, is that anybody can come online. You don't have to submit some type of identification or something like that. Anybody can use these platforms. So we're gradually making higher highs. It looks like we're almost to a million. And once we reach a million, that's like the make it or break it for whales. At least so I've seen. I've seen coins reach right around a million, and then a lot of volume starts coming in. Buys of like $5,000, $7,000, $10,000 buys in very rapid succession. And that's what happens when coins reach a little bit past a million. I think people whales have filters, and a lot of whales don't buy coins that are under a million. So as soon as a whale sees a coin on their radar that hits a million, they'll put in $10,000, $5,000, $20,000 into a coin, and then it'll push from a million to 2 million just like that, instantly. And then it's just a battle between the whales. A whale wants to get in under 5 million market cap, so he buys it up, right? Him and his friends. And then that's how it gradually keeps going like that. So we'll maybe sell another 15 where price is right here, right now. It's almost to 900K, 860. So we'll scale out a little bit more of our position right here. And this is probably when it's going to hit a million. Either it'll dip now, people will buy it up really fast. If it breaks 900K, it'll shoot to a million. It'll probably shoot to 1.2, 1.3 million. There's a lot of eyes on it right now. You guys can see the holder count we increased by almost 500 people in just the past few hours. Excuse me, the past few minutes. It hasn't been hours. We're up almost 400% for our position. And with a total investment of under $100, we were able to make a profit of over $350 so far. All live, all for you guys to see with your own eyes. This is live trading at its best, you guys. Doesn't get much better than this. And the reason why I'm trading with a smaller amount of capital is because with these coins, you guys can see with $100, you can easily make $500 to $1,000. And also, when a coin has a lower market cap, you don't want to be investing tens of thousands of dollars or even thousands of dollars, because when a coin is under, let's say, $100,000 market cap, then if you invest, let's say, $5,000 and the coin is at $50,000 market cap, your order of $5,000 being placed into the market is going to affect the price exponentially, because it's such a small market cap. All right, we're going to take some of our profit right now, 25%. It looks like the coin is dipping quite nicely. So we wanted it to hit 1 million, but I'm sure a lot of people wanted it to hit 1 million too. And there's a lot of people taking profit right around this area. So everybody that was in since 100K, 200K has already made a nice amount of return. And that's why we see the market is dipping right now. People are just scaling out of their positions. We'll see if we see some type of rebound from where we are right now. I might take out another 25% of my position if price goes below 500K. Actually, if price goes below 500K, I'm going to sell my entire position. So right at around 465K, I'm going to sell all of my position. That's going to be my stop loss, so to say. And then I'll have a take profit of about 50% of my position at right around the highs right here. Actually, I'll take out 25% of my position once we get to the high. Come on. All right, 25%. And then I want to put another 25% right up here at like 1 million. So a little bit more, maybe. All right. We'll move it up. There it is. Right there. And another 25% if we hit 1.3 million. All right, that's close enough. All right, you got to be optimistic, right? Especially in these markets. But you also have to cover your ass. So I'm okay if I get stopped out right around here. And I'm okay if it pumps to 1.3 million or higher. I'm okay with either one of those outcomes. I've already made a nice substantial amount of profit so far. So we'll see what happens. It's just kind of dancing right above 500K. I think 500K is going to be that tipping point. If it makes it above 500K and continues above 500K, I think it'll gain some more trust, and I think this could be the push up. However, if it breaks below 500K, I think the coin will. I think a lot of people will jump ship. So we'll see what happens. Yep. It's definitely testing that 500K. Definitely. There's definitely a lot of people putting orders, buy orders at 500K, because it's just rebounding. And I think we are yep, we are out of our position. So this was I'm not sure. We'll see here. So in that little span of time, we were able to make a 3x, about $300 profit from a $94 investment. So about 2 Solana. If you guys want to join, I'll put the link to this trading platform below. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hopefully you guys enjoy. If you do enjoy this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe, and I'll make sure to upload some more videos like this. Take care. Peace out, you guys.